Hello and welcome back to Master Game Design, Unreal Engine 5, Stylized Environment and Third-Person Blueprint course. In the last lesson we finished the mechanics of our game, and in this lesson we are gonna start implementing them. So let's begin by opening our wonderful map, Harbor map. Now for me it's on the content, for you on the asset pack it might be on a different folder. But the name will remain the same. So the name is Harbor Map, and let's open it. Now, first things first, because this level seems to be made out of sub-levels and they're locked, I need to unlock them. So to find this window called Levels, you need to go to Window and just select this option here, Levels, and you will have this window. And I'm gonna just press the toggle lock on the persistent level, because we're gonna add them on the persistent level or our things. Now, in world settings, I'm gonna select, now if this is closed, again you can find it Windows world settings. We're gonna put our game override to our GM Harbor, and it has all our settings here. So to spawn our player, we need to bring a player start. Let's position it to basically the end of this stock. Again, this is a fine position. So now, it's not yeah, the capsule should not be entering any collisions, should be straight on the ground. So now let's play and see that our character, all walls are falling. I'm guessing this is a buoyancy thing. Yeah. And we have our character running inside our level. Nice. Now, what should we bring in next? Let's start with bringing the gate. So we have this here. I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna go to our blueprints folder, and I'm gonna select the gate, bring it here. Seems I have a different static mesh than what was it. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna go to our details over here with selected the BP gate, and I'm gonna select the static mesh, and I'm gonna change the mesh. Now, which one was it? Was it this one? There's a lot of assets, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo until I delete the gate, and I'm gonna browse to asset from here. Wait, did we use the correct one? Is it just opposite? Yeah, it's just smaller and opposite. So yeah, we're gonna delete this. We're gonna have our gate. I'm gonna rotate it so this way is the front. Make it here, and I'm gonna make it. Actually, I'm gonna scale all of it. And I'm gonna place it here. I'm not the best placer, so this will do fine. Let's consider that this is going up, which would be 303 to 680, so around 300 something, 342. I'm gonna select the blueprint, and I'm gonna put that value here on our default values, which is the height that the gate will raise itself as the variable is saying. So 342, and now let's bring the quest mechanism. So here it is. Let's bring it in front of this door. Right here. So I'm going to select, actually we have this box extend, and I'm going to scale the box. So when the player is anywhere in front of this door, quest is starting. Doesn't need to be that high. If it goes inside the building, really doesn't matter. And for the quest symbol, I'm gonna grab the Niagara effect. Just bring it somewhere that the player can see it. A bit closer to the door. I think that's fine there. A bit yellow on yellow is not such a good idea. I'll put it a bit lower. And let's set up the quest. It requires an item. Let's bring one item also. So here it is. And let's put some stats. Now from items, we got some meshes. So we got some meshes on the Egyptian stylized props. Actually, hardware pack or props. Let's go to props. Yep, we got some meshes here that look like items. Ah, swordfish. Now let's use the swordfish. Actually, this will make it interesting. So, how is it called? Fish, food fish, prop food fish. So let's select the item, which I cannot find right now because there's nothing on it, not even a default value. Yeah, let's fix that really quick. Let's open this blueprint and go to our static mesh and add a default value of I don't know, the sphere is fine, just so we can click on it. Oh, it needs a default value on the, sorry, my bad. It needs a default value on item stats because we are setting item stats through construction script. So when the item spawns, it sets its value from here. So this will fix it. Compile and save. And we have a huge ball now. Of course we can pick it. I'm not gonna sit and fix this. I'm just gonna select the sword piece. Fish. And now this will be interesting to see how it behaves with physics and just rotating it. How the fins will affect the widget. I think because it's collision. I'm opening the through the blueprint I have selected. I'm selecting the static mesh and just double click on it and it opens the static mesh. So if I press show collisions here, yeah, so the fin matters. I wanted to see if the fin didn't exist, then the widget had a chance to appear inside the fin. But since the fin exists, it's gonna be fine. Compile and save. Let's see that the item works before we progress. Going to close the item. Yes, I can see it. I can pick it up. I can drop it down. Perfect. Unfortunately, I don't have the icons, so we're gonna use our green guy and red guy again. And let's have this for the fish. Okay. Now let's set up the quest. We're gonna leave the texts the same, so we know which text we are seeing. I'm gonna select the trigger actor, which would be this door. And the correct item would be fish. And let's click on the fish also. Name it fish. Give it an item name. Compile and save. I'm in play. So I'm going towards our fish. I'm getting the fish. Going to the quest. I should have accepted the quest first anyway. I deliver the quest. And the door is now open. Great. Now, in this door, we're gonna do this on the next lesson actually. We're gonna pause for here. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye.